at Balmoral after that concern was raised. And as Dr. Hemming was telling us there, she is said to be comfortable. So many statements coming into us, statements of support from the Prime Minister, the new Prime Minister, Liz Truss, who was only there 2 days ago at Balmoral to meet Her Majesty the Queen, making that journey back there today. The senior members of the royal family, who we understand are gathering, either have gathered or are on their way to Balmoral.
Well, let's just update you with what's been happening at Balmoral within the last half an hour or so. We understand Princes Andrew and Edward, the Queen's sons, have arrived at Balmoral to be with the monarch, as has Prince William, the Duke of Cambridge, the Queen's grandson. And, of course, after Prince Charles, heir to the throne. Prince Charles, we understand, arrived at Balmoral earlier on